If a man empties his purse into his head, no one can take it from him. Having been poor is no shame, but being ashamed of it is. Never ruin an apology with an excuse. Whatever is begun in anger ends in shame. If you would know the value of money, go and try to borrow some. Time is money. I didn't fail the test. I just found 100 ways to do it wrong. You may delay, but time will not. Love your enemies, for they tell you your faults. There are 3 faithful friends: an old wife, an old dog, and ready money. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Well done is better than well said. Many people die at 25 and aren't buried until they are 75. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. No gains without pains. Life's biggest tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late. One today is worth 2 tomorrows. Laziness travels so slowly that poverty soon overtakes him. Rather go to bed without dinner than to rise in debt. At 20 years of age the will reigns. At 30, the wit. And at 40, the judgment. Never leave till tomorrow bad which you can do today. To succeed, jump as quickly at opportunities as you do at conclusions. Lost time is never found again. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Where there is marriage without love, there will be love without marriage. Haste makes waste. 3 may keep a secret if 2 of them are dead. He that lies down with dogs shall rise up with fleas. To find out a girl's faults, praise her to her girlfriends. Dost thou love life? Then do not squander time, for that's the stuff life is made of. Educate your children to self-control, to the habit of holding passion and prejudice and evil tendencies subject to an upright and reasoning will. And you have done much to abolish misery from their future and crimes from society. Keep your eyes wide open before marriage, half shut afterwards. We do not stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. Work as if you were to live 1,000 years. Play as if you were to die tomorrow. Contentment makes poor men rich. Discontent makes rich men poor. Vice knows that he is ugly, so he puts on a mask. He that displays too often his wife and his wallet is in danger of having both of them borrowed. Fatigue is the best pillow. The discontented man finds no easy chair. Buy what thou hast no seed of, and ere long thou shalt sell thy necessities. You will find the key to success under the alarm clock. Either write something worth reading, or do something worth writing. They who can give up essential liberty to obtain a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety. Tell me, and I forgot. Teach me, and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. He that can have patience can have what he will. A penny saved is a penny earned. In wine there is wisdom. In beer there is freedom. In water there is bacteria. We are all born ignorant. But one must work hard to remain stupid. Justice will not be served until those who are unaffected are as outraged as those who are. Fear not death, for the sooner we die, the longer we shall be immortal. Wine is proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy. It is the first responsibility of every citizen to question authority. Instead of cursing the darkness, light a candle. If all printers were determined not to print anything till they were sure it would offend nobody, there would be very little printed. Be at war with your vices, at peace with your neighbors, and let every new year find you a better man. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Never confuse motion with action. The heart of a fool is in his mouth, but the mouth of a wise man is in his heart. There was never a bad peace or a good war. Be slow in choosing a friend, slower in changing. We must all hang together, or assuredly we shall all hang separately. When you are finished changing, you're finished. When you're testing to see how deep water is, never use 2 feet. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. A slip of the foot you may soon recover, but a slip of the tongue you may never get over. Happiness depends more on the inward disposition of mind than on outward circumstances. Do not trust your money to a person who likes to count other people's money. Be civil to all, sociable to many, familiar with few, friend to one, enemy to none. If a man could have half of his wishes, he would double his troubles. Speak ill of no man, but speak all the good you know of everybody. If you want to be rich, learn not only to earn, but also to be economical. The way to see by faith is to shut the eye of reason. A house is not a home unless it contains food and fire for the mind, as well as the body. Security without liberty is called prison. Those things that hurt instruct you.